Finding the right financial option for your business is going to be tough. One of the best funding options is the SBA's 7-Hey loan. Known for its flexible terms, low interest rates, and no prepayment penalties, it's a versatile tool for businesses of all sizes. 7-Hey loans are great for multiple purposes, such as working capital or cash loans, equipment financing, acquisition of commercial real estate, and debt refinancing. This short video will walk you through each step of the 7-Hey loan process from determining your eligibility to getting funded. Let's get into it. What is an SBA 7-Hey loan? A 7-Hey loan is a government-backed loan designed to assist small businesses get financing. These loans are provided by SBA-approved lenders and come with a partial guarantee from the government through the Small Business Administration, which reduces risk for the lenders and makes it easier for small businesses to qualify. So, what are the benefits of an SBA 7-Hey loan? First, they come with a low interest, typically lower than conventional loans. Also, they have a long repayment term of 10 years and up to 25 years for commercial real estate. They can also be used for multiple purposes and have no prepayment penalty. In terms of assessing eligibility, there are many lenders with multiple qualification criteria. The majority of them want to see 2 years in business, and they will also look at your taxes for the last 2 years. Your credit score must be over 680 to 700, and your business credit score must be over 175 and be a for-profit business in the USA. Now, how do you prepare your application? First, you'll need your financial information. Things like profit and loss statements, balance sheets, debt schedule, and tax returns for the last 3 years business and personal. In order to have a better experience, make sure you have your legal documents, such as business licenses, articles of incorporation, and leases available. You should also ensure that these informations are correct and up to date. Next step is choosing the right lender. Finding the right lender is very important because every lender is different, so you have to talk to a couple of them to better understand which option is the best. You can use SBA's Lender Match tool or contact us. We have a network of lenders that are able to fund any type of loan or SBA available. And the best part is that we have done business with many lenders and we have inside information of what works and what's the best option for your business. Completing the application. Once you decide which lender you want to use, it's time to submit the application. You'll need to complete the Form 1919 and have your updated financials and tax ready for submission. By industry standards, and depending on loan complexity, you will get a pre-approval in about 5 to 7 business days. However, because of our experience and our relationships with many lenders, we are able to get this pre-approval in 2 to 3 days. Underwriting process. After pre-approval, you will receive a list of questions and an additional list of documents to submit in order to start the full underwriting process. This process takes 2 to 4 weeks, and during the process, you may receive multiple questions regarding your business from the lender. After the underwriting process is completed, you will receive the commitment letter, which will move your file into closing. P.S. For loans under $150,000, funding could take 2 to 3 weeks from start to finish. Closing and funding. After approval, it takes about 2 weeks to close the loan and get funded. Please make sure to direct any questions you have during the application process to our company. And after you've received funding, make sure you understand our payment schedule. Also, make sure to make the payments on time and inform the lender of any issues. Pros of SBA loans are that they have low interest and extended repayment, flexible use for multiple purposes, and have government support. Cons are that they are time-consuming because the application process can be slow and with a lot of questions. Also, these loans have strict eligibility criteria to meet the loan. Conclusion: SBA 7-Hey are valuable funding options for small businesses. By following the information in this video, you can have a better understanding and prepare yourself to obtain funding in order to grow your business. With proper preparation, working with the right ladder, and a solid understanding of the requirements, you can access this great funding option for your business for long-term prosperity. Are you ready to get started? Comment funding below, and we'll reach out to you.